Let's just take this back for a minute. We can make this what we've been living. And I know you heard as well, darling, we can be ourselves. Let's just take this back for a minute. Nah. I've been going to the places where we used to meet before, 'cause lately I've been feeling so.
Good morning, everyone! I got my iced tea, my cold brew tea. I got peach jasmine cold brew tea. So good! I usually get the mango, but I wanted to try peach today. And I like it. Let's go to school!
There beside me on the beach that night, and when you say goodbye, you're still on my mind. Gotta find a way to stop thinking. Even if you don't have feelings, my heart won't let go so easily. Wishful thoughts don't change the truth, so I don't know why I'm still in love with you.
Guess who forgot her Apple Pencil? Okay.
But I don't know why I'm still in love.
Oh yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Hello everyone. I am back from school. I think the last time I vlogged was at school. So I'm back from school, and this is Annika.
Is it actually? It's not on.
It is on.
It's on?
It's on.
Oh my god, wait, since when?
This is my cutie pie. I just turned it on.
Go to Korea?
I did not go there. Maybe plastic surgery. Yeah.
That girl is the one I wanna be with. I didn't know it till she was already leaving. On a train going south 10 minutes ago. I'm so bad at making conversation. I couldn't ask her for her number or her name, and I don't know if she just wants me to leave her alone. Go sit in that subway station, open a book to...
I am going out with Michael, Oscar, and Chloe later. Haven't seen them in a long time. At least Michael. Everyone else I've seen at church. But yeah, we haven't hung out in a long time. So we're going to get noodles. And here's my outfit. So I have a tank top, a yellow tank top underneath. And then my jeans. And then my favorite cardigan. I like this outfit. And look at my makeup.
Why she wears that puffy sweater when it's so hot in this midsummer weather.
Michael, Oscar, and Chloe. So we're mock.
Dude, my friends are crazy.
말이야 얼마나 많이 변했을까 궁금해. 기억을 잃어버린 또 우리에게 사랑이란 그저 fantasy. 그래도 한땐 공연이 사상 둘밖에 없던 멜로드라마. 주인공 자체 꽃길을 나란히 걸었지. 노을이 지는 언덕 위에 우린 사랑을 나눴네. 지금 너를 다시 쳐다보니까 어릴 적 우리가 떠오르잖아. 내 손을 잡고 올라타. You're my time machine. 널 보니 그대로 돌아가게 돼. 주위 둘러보네. 우린 천장을 울렸어. 거짓말 같게 내 눈이 날 go back. 우리 미래 속에 잊혀진 go back. 어깨로 펼쳐지는 시간이야. You're my time machine girl. You're my time machine girl. She was already leaving on a train going south 10 minutes ago. I'm so bad at making conversation. I couldn't ask her for her number or her name, and I don't know if she just wants me to leave her alone. But I'll go sit in that subway station, open a book to look sophisticated. Maybe she might come to me one day. I'll probably say something dumb like, do you come here often? Cause I get so stupid in love when I'm talking to her. But I'll try my best to say more than a few words, because I want to know just what she's thinking. Her favorite food and the drink she's drinking. Why she wears that puffy sweat. Lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine. But I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. No matter how.
Hello everyone, I am back home. Got some packages in the mail, so let us unbox them. So first package, they're all from Amazon. I went on a little shopping spree. I bought some Apple bands, Apple Watch bands, all these different colors. I wanted to get a thinner band because I think this one looks nice, but then it's just kind of thick, and yeah, it's just kind of thick. So this one is a thinner, supposedly. Yeah, it looks thinner. And also there's so many colors. There's so many neutral colors. So that's what I got. And I got another case. Oh, you know what? Is that better? That is much better. I got this case. My case right now, it's okay, but I had it for like 2+ years already. So then there's like cracks, and then sometimes like my skin gets cut by the case because there's like little cracks on the bottom. So then like sometimes the excess kind of falls off and everything. But this is a really good case. I mean, it still works. I just rather have a nicer case. Let us open this one. Guess what color it is? It's pink. You know what? I should wash my hands. I did my makeup just then, so there's like eyeshadow on my hands. But anyways, it's just a basic pink case. I don't know if I'll like it though, because oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's from Amazon. Auto Fly. It was like, I think this was $10. No, $13. This was $13. Very cheap for a case. But so there's like, it's silicone, hard silicone, very soft to touch, very smooth, and then inside there's like velvety stuff. So let me take my case off, snap it in. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Ah, it fits my everything. My everything. My watch, everything, it fits. So pretty. It's so soft, it's so like aesthetic. Okay, well this is my phone case. Another one. Ooh, nail polish. This is a 6-piece gel nail polish set. I was like, you know what? I'm never gonna get my nails done until maybe like I get married or engaged or something. If I want a really pretty design that I can't do myself because my hands shake too much, then I'll probably get my nails done. But other than that, on a daily basis, monthly basis, I'll just do it myself. And these last a really long time. Average probably 3 weeks. It's really quick too, so it takes like 1.5 hours to do my nails. So yeah, I'm gonna do my nails from now on. Anyways, that is another thing I bought. And I think the last thing, this box. That's a big box. So the last item that I bought is this UV lamp. So I already do have a UV lamp, but it's like the mini ones. And I wanted something bigger so then I can do it faster. Time is precious. So I'm like, you know what? Invest in something that will make it faster. This is a 2-in-1 LED UV lamp. This is like $25. It was kind of expensive, but hopefully it's worth it. If it's not, I can always return it. But anyways, that is what I bought this week. I like it. It's so much thinner. Like, okay, so compared to the old one, this is the old one. It's thick, huh? Done. All right, I am. I love my new piece.
So first off, my idea of how this should work.
Okay.
Question number 1.
Okay, so like we just choked, we kind of lost. We're big sad. That's Kevin.
Oh, hey.
Oh hey.
Oh.
We won? What? That's crazy. That sure is. She actually did a good job. Psych, we lost. Ouch.
What is this?
This is Charlie's vlog.
Oh, hi.
Alright. Very cool, very cool.
We are at Yes Plaza. The rest of the people are at Tasty, so.
Can I stop this?
Yeah. Senior year. No, I'm 29%.
So this is what Charlene's vlog is like. You
Like it,
what up, y'all? This is Basuno here.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Oh, you forgot comment.
I'm in
Comment down below.
like,
Turn your
subscribe, comment,
notifications on.
turn on. Yeah. So what is your guys' favorite tasty drink? This is a 32-ounce fashion attraction with light ice and honey boba included.
Zoom into the space.
Yeah.
I'll put all of it inside.
It's a nice camera.
Well, the lighting here looks good. Look at that. Okay, here. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty.
Oh, this is a nice camera. Actually, I have a question for you guys, okay?
Just speak louder.
Are there more wheels in the world? Or are there more doors in the world? Comment down below. Let's start a poll. Can you make a poll?
Wheels or doors? They have like a whole poll going on
TikTok.
and
Are there more wheels or are there more doors
What
in
do
the
you
world?
think?
John, I'm stealing your girlfriend.
There's gotta be more wheels. So everyone, they have like 2 doors, right? Sure, cabinets are doors, but wheels are used for everything else.
I feel bad for Charlene. She has to edit all of this.
Hey, I can just delete it. I'm kidding. Yeah, hello.
Right. So that usually like cancels out. But like, if you're
No, I stole your girlfriend.
yes, I was walking. That's a lot.
Something's in contact. That's not.
How was it? Good. Very tasty. They're talking about the guru sound.
We'll just give you a new set, like a performance set.
You're fine when you got your hands in mine. Oh, just let me show you everywhere I've been.
We are taste testing drinks for small groups.
Honey, I'm down. But tell me if you are. No. Let's not make it hard. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up here because you feel so know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so twisted, but I feel so.
It tastes like tomatoes.
Let's just take this back for a minute. We can make this what we've been living. And I know you hurt as well, darling. We can be ourselves. Let's just take this back.
This is the Monopoly Millennial Edition. It's new, right?
Yeah.
I love playing Monopoly, but no one likes playing with me usually because it is a long game. It is a really long game. But now that I have my wonderful to play with me.
I'd do anything for you.
Yeah, what is it? Yo!
Dang.
My eyes, too bright. So here is the board. Whoa! Ooh, doubles.
Let's just take this back for a minute. For a minute. We can make this what we've been living. We've been living. And I know you hurt as well, darling. We can be ourselves. Let's just take this back for a minute. For a minute. Now.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers, 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 cheers.
We don't gotta wait, we don't gotta wait. 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 We don't gotta wait, we don't gotta wait.
Hey!
Let's just take this back.